Your question is the sum of n terms of two arithmetic progression are in the ratio 5n plus 4, that is to 9n plus 6. Find the ratio of that 18th term. Understand this. So what they have told? They have told the sum. That means there are two APs. So just we will write the APs. So suppose first AP is like this, AP. That is equal to, just we will write that. So here the first A, second A plus D, third A plus 2D, and so on. Next AP, it will be B, B plus D, B plus 2D, and so on. So now they have told the sum of this AP by the sum of this AP, that means ratio. So what is the sum formula that we will write? That is nothing but what? Sn is equal to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. So this is the sum formula. Now we will try to substitute in ratio first and second. What it will be? Suppose we have written first sum. That means AP of this. What is that? That is nothing but n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d by second one, that is n by 2 into 2 and a, here it is a, here it is b plus n minus 1 into d. They have given you this as 5n plus 4, 5n plus 4 by 9n plus 6. Now you can see n by 2 gone. Now what they have asked? They have asked the ratio of that 18th term. That means A18. What is the formula for AN? That we will write. Formula for AN is A plus n minus 1 into d. This is the formula. Now we will write in ratio. Just we will check it. The ratio is what? First ratio, that is A plus n minus 1 into d by, here again A, sorry not A, B. First term is B plus n minus 1 into d. But he has told 18th term, that means n is 18. So therefore what you will get? So you can see you will get A plus 17D, and here you will get A plus, sorry, B plus 17D. This you will get it. But if you see here, what you will get? You will get 2A. Yes, just compare now. A is here it is 2A. And here it is 17D. That means this you have to make it as 17. How? So that means if you put 18 here, this will be 2A plus 17D. But we want A plus 17D. So therefore what we will do? Just we will multiply this 17 into 2 plus 1. If you multiply this as 2, it will be what? See this? 34. So 34 minus 1 is 33. We don't want that. That means when we divide it by 2, you will get 33 by 2. We want 34 by 2. That means here n is 35. So what it will be now? It will be 2a plus 34d by again 2b plus 34d. Now you can see these two numbers are divisible by 2. If you divide it by 2, you will get a plus 17d, what they want. This is equal to this value. That means 5 into n is what? 35 plus 4 by 9 into 35 plus 6. Just solve that. Here 2, if you divide it by 2, what you will get? See this? You will get a plus 17d. So here you will get a plus 17d by b plus 17d. That is equal to, now multiply this. 5 into 5 is 25. 2 carry. 15 plus 2 is 17. 175 plus 4. That is equal to 179. So here it will come as 179 by 2. As we have divided here, here also divided by 2. By next here. 9 5 is 45. 4 carry. 27 plus 4 is 31. Plus 6. That is equal to, we can say 321. So here it will come 321 by 2. Now 2 and 2 gone. Therefore your ratio is 179 by 321. So this is your answer. Likewise you have to do it. See this. Here nothing is there. Whatever they will give you, 18th term, just what we have to do? N minus 1 is 17. 17 into 2 is 34. 34 plus 1 is 35. Or otherwise what you have to do? 18 into 2 is 36. 36 minus 1. Remember in any way. That is correct. This n should be the perfect one. Here we got 35. Then only we will get, if you divide it by 2, you will get 34. 34 divided by 2, you will get 17. Simple. So this is your ratio, what they want.